How's it going, BBI fabricators y fabricadores? Andrew here once again with a quick product highlight. We are cooking it up in the kitchen today. Sink installs are a common occurrence at any job, and just like there's 100 ways to cook an egg, there's 100 ways to install a sink. But here at BBI, we have the Hercules Universal Sink Harness. That's right, Hercules. With a 250-pound load capacity, this sink system will hold up any sink, even after a day of heavy cooking and a sink full of dishes. The two heavy-duty harnesses are flexible yet strong and can be arranged for any sink type. Bathroom vanities, kitchen 50-50 sinks, 60-40s, single bowls, cast iron, you name it. So it is truly universal. But why this sink harness, you may be thinking? A mechanical install on a sink will always hold up better than just a chemical install. In other words, just using silicone may cause problems down the road. Also, no drilling into the stone, making special notches, or anything else. The Hercules Sink Harness will be an asset to any job. So give us a call and start installing today. Also, check out our website for the best products and the best service in the stone industry. Call us at 800-575-4401 to speak with our experienced, professional stone industry experts.